Going on, y'all? So here we about to start on the box Chevy skin for the Panoramic. So this one is a little tricky. As you can see, this edge a little funny. I'll show you the other side. What you're working with. You can see. So you see this focus. See this little edge part? That's what we keep it. But we want more though, still as much as we can, so we can overlap. Be able to overlap just a little bit. Alright. So let's get this out of there. So I'm going around popping these little seals. Skin. Not want to cut that. It's just a waste of blade. Cutting that. Another one right here. Might be a wheel. Back. Let's get the rest of this off. Okay, so what I'm getting ready to do is take my grinder and just cut back up off this. Just cut this back as much as possible. And then I'll be able to cut it from the inside. You know, cutting it from the outside it just takes too long. So I'm gonna cut it from this side, and then I'll be able to get my skin out. So you gotta cut this out, the frame out. You don't need the frame, and then get your skin. This the sunroof frame part that you do want though. Be able to bolt your roof up. All right.
Yeah, go dummy, Kyle.
Flip it over and go along the back side of it and cut it along. So now for my skin, for this part, all I gotta do is just cut along here, cut along the back side. Sorry y'all, cut along the back side, and this skin part, this skin for the actual glass that I'm gonna need is gonna pop out once I get that part cut, and then from the other side I cut this part off, so I ain't gonna really worry about this no more. I was starting my cut there. I'm not gonna worry about that. And then this whole frame piece will just pop right out. So tomorrow, that's what I'm gonna be on. I gotta go back in here and finish up and come through back over here, but as long as I cut that part out, and then I'll still have my skin in there. I still have my skin, but my measurements gotta be right. And I'll show y'all on that. But yeah. So frame is just about wrapping up on it. This is day one on the frame. I know it's gonna be time consuming. I had to just go over and see where I was gonna start my cuts and how I was gonna get this skin out. But yeah, as y'all can see, the skin is almost up out of there. So tomorrow I'll play with her some more and cut her up some more, and yeah, it should be up out of there. I think we can end the day with a little box talk. Let Dame here, the baby, get these keys. Yeah, she's breathing. Yep, she's breathing. Let that battery juice up just in case. Yep, she's breathing. Just showing y'all, yeah, this is the side I was doing my cuts on to cut this part of the frame out. And then I'll go from the inside on this part, cut it from here, and then from back here I'll cut it from the inside so I can see, you know. But yeah, she'll be out of there tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll be starting getting my measurements all laid out for up here after I get my skin out, see what I'm working with, and then where we on next. Where we on next. Yep, she's breathing. Yep. Let me go on and shut her off. Just trying to get that battery to juice up a little bit just in case. So, I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm kind of trying to, you know, on these cool days, just wait till, you know, I get some shade back here, then start my cutting and stuff like that. So, I get shade around here around 6 o'clock in this little spot that I'm working on the skin. So, from there, I'm trying to get as much done for Dane and get his baby back to him. So, yeah, tomorrow, stay tuned. I'll have another video up tomorrow for the Caprice, for the box Chevy, and let me see. Stay tuned, y'all. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.